Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 powers on normally but refuses to react when you tap or swipe the screen, you're certainly not alone. A touchscreen issue on the Echo Show 15 can make it difficult to access widgets, calendars, and smart home controls. In many situations, the problem is caused by temporary software glitches, delayed system processes, dirty screen surfaces, or outdated firmware. Fortunately, an unresponsive display doesn't automatically mean that the device itself is damaged. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help restore touch functionality on your Echo Show 15. Try these. Step 1. Carefully clean the surface of the Echo Show 15 to remove fingerprints, dust, or moisture that may affect touch sensitivity. Step 2. Verify that the Echo Show 15 has finished loading completely and isn't busy performing background tasks. Step 3. Restart the Echo Show 15 to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Step 4. Disconnect the Echo Show 15 from power for a few minutes before plugging it back in. Step 5. Check for available software updates on the Echo Show 15 and install them if necessary. Step 6. Test different areas of the Echo Show 15 screen